So when you want to reassembly, it needs to be put in that spring first, and there's our bolt carrier system. When you put inside it, here's a hole, and we know that gap for it. You're gonna put cocking lever easily on here, and the piston comes up inside here, the gas block, and after that you can easily mount the barrel. Just needs to be pushed forward a little bit. Then when you barrel put in the hole, the right place, you can reassembly that plug. And after the put the right spot, just need to put tying. Make sure it needs to be really tight. Tighten this key. That key comes with the rifle in the back. And the handguard. The handguard also strapped. It can fit in right here easily. And this is a normal the key version of it, but it's really easy to put them back. Just to secure the nuts and then make sure it's tight. That is the key for it, and it's done.